Welcome to BellyBreath. This meditation is here to help you release the weight of negative thoughts and embrace the power of positivity. Let's begin by getting into a comfortable position. Just let yourself sink into comfort, as if wrapped in a warm embrace. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it fill you with a sense of calm. As you exhale, imagine releasing any heaviness, letting go of what no longer serves you. Now, picture yourself at the edge of a calm lake, its surface smooth like glass. The sun is warm on your skin, and a light breeze stirs the air around you. With every breath, imagine the gentle ripples on the water moving through your body, calming your mind and easing any tension. Instead of pushing your negative thoughts away, allow them to come into view. Picture them like clouds drifting across the sky. Temporary, light, and free. Instead of holding on to them, let them pass by without judgment. Think of your negative thoughts as visitors. They come, stay for a while, and eventually leave. No need to fight them. You have the power to decide how long they stay and when they go. Now, take a moment to acknowledge the emotions that accompany these thoughts. Just like watching a passing train, you notice them without getting on board. You can sit back and observe without being dragged along. Remember, you are the driver of your own journey. When doubt or fear arise, meet them with a calm, confident smile. Greet them with the belief that they have no lasting power over you. When stress tries to weigh you down, counter it with a breath of strength and calm resolve. Let's affirm your strength and resilience. Say these words aloud or silently. I am capable. I am strong. I choose peace. With every word, feel your confidence growing. You are not just enduring, you are thriving. You are more than your thoughts, and they do not define you. As you begin to feel the transformation, take a moment to acknowledge the wisdom within you. You are like a bright light, radiating positivity with each step you take. Now, when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes, feeling empowered and renewed. You've shifted your mindset, and with each new breath, you're stepping into a stronger, more peaceful version of yourself. Thank you for joining this meditation with BellyBreath. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, and subscribe for more moments of peace and strength.